Let's talk about bugs. Let's talk about Zevo. This unit is roughly a year old. The last time you saw it was, I think, 9 months ago. But this is the same refill that has been in here since the day I installed it. And I do believe on the last video there were about 15 bugs in there that you saw. Since then I had a plant over here that got fungus gnats. There was a little cluster over on this side of fungus gnats, but I hadn't looked at this in 6 months. So I thought not only will this give us a chance to look at it and see what it's done over a year, but also have some refills here because it's about to be summertime. I want to be able to keep up. The reason I bought this was to see if my plants, because I've added a lot of plants, ever get fungus gnats. I would know right away because they would be in this trap. Plus, I just don't like fly bugs. Couple of things to note before I take this out. First, you'll see that I've raised it up a bit since the last video. I'm using this for something else. Started out Christmas decorations, but now I use it for other things. And also, I can see right up there, I think it might be a spider. I've seen a video online where a spider resided in the bottom of this, picking up random stray prey. So I see something there. And I also see, you probably can't, but right up in there, there's a tiny little spider web with a couple of specks in it. So something set up residence at least around here. And the idea of this, if you don't watch the other videos, is that it will pick up with its blue light, or it'll attract with its blue and UV light bugs. And they'll come in, and then there's just these little sticky traps that have adhesive, a very strong adhesive. And it'll grab the bugs and, well, that'll kill them. So let me pull this off now. And see, and also in another video I mentioned, I wish this had an on-off switch, and then someone pointed out rather intelligently, you can just pull up slightly on this refill and it'll turn the light off. And the reason I would want to do that is because I have a large door, just about 10, 12 feet maybe over in that direction, maybe a little bit more than that, over in that direction. But this kitchen stays dark, and as I've shown in videos, this light, very bright, kind of lights up the kitchen, at least this corner of it. So if I open that door from a dark area, bugs can come in just attracted by the light. So let's take a look at it. I'm gonna pull this out, and if something jumps out of here like a spider, you will hear me scream, probably like a girl. Oh, caught a pterodactyl. I learned that I need to keep this up so that you can see, but I don't see a spider. It was down in that area on the one video, but just look at all those bugs. That is a mosquito eater, I've learned. There is a moth. There's, looks like a little willow fly of some kind. There is a dead spider, so it made a nest, but then it looks like it got its legs stuck and didn't make it. But here's that little cluster of fungus gnats. I see just a couple of more down in there, but not, not a lot. Let's see if I can pull this out. Yeah, here's the carnage with a background. So it definitely gets stuff. This does its job. I'm happy I bought it, for sure. I'm happy. Let's see if I can get it over here where that outlet's not in the way. Yeah, I'm happy I bought this. Definitely does its job. Like I said, it'll even catch a small pterodactyl and a moth, but it got all those little fungus gnats. But I want a new one in here so that I'll know if there are any fungus gnats anytime this growing season for my houseplants. And that's where this is going to come in. Let me just get into this here. Okay. Maybe I have changed filters. Did I do that from that second video? Because I remember the unit coming with one. This is a 2-pack, it says, 2 refill cartridges, and there's only one in here. I know I haven't changed it since that last video, so whatever was in my last video, I'll put a link down in the description, but apparently I changed something. Here's how these work. There is a pull strip, and this is a stout adhesive. I remember from the original one. To pull it off. Pulls off easy though, even though it's a stout adhesive. Get that out of the way. And we have our exposed adhesive here. You have the unit. I'm just going to turn around and just match the curve with the curve and slide this down in here until it clicks. And what that viewer was talking about, turning it on and off, not needing a switch, you can just kind of pull that up like that and it'll turn the light off and settle it back down, so no need to plug and replug and wear out an outlet. And speaking of outlet, while we're here, let me see if I can zoom in on this. Yeah, there's my outlet. I was worried this would be all yellowed. That's been like that. So yeah, no yellowing that I can see at all, especially looking at the bottom versus the top. I'm looking up at my cabinets. I don't see any yellowing. I'm looking at these lights. There would be yellowing on this back side because it sits like this. So yeah, not bad at all, this UV light. And according to the safety, I'll just recap in my video. I was worried about safety in the first video because, you know, bright blue, I've always been told not to look at UV lights. That's an LED UV light. They said you would, I don't remember the inches, I have it all in a video, but you'd have to have your eye just a couple of inches away from this and have it there for hours, an impractical long amount of time to do any damage. So completely safe. And I've also found out that it's not dangerous looking at reflected blue light, or just the blue light cast on surface. I don't say reflected, but cast on surfaces. So I have the new cartridge down in here, including, there's like a hair in there now. Let me just plug this back in. And I'm good to go for the summer plant growing season. And I'll know because of this if I have any fungus gnats, any little fly tiny ones. If I have bigger bugs, I'll just know they came in. You know, it's summertime in the south. You're going to get some bugs. It's just the way it happens. Some fly things are going to come in every time you open the door. But it's the fungus gnats I worry about because of my plants. Right now, knock on laminated countertop. I am bug-free or fungus gnat-free. Let's hope that holds up. I did just add a new plant, so we'll see. But I wanted to follow up on this Zevo. And on a refill, how these things look after a year. That's what it got. Like I said, the biggest cluster here is fungus gnats. But it did get some other things. Zevo's a winner in my book. Now I need to buy more refills, but it'll probably be another year before I have to. Thanks for watching. Let me hear any comments or questions that you have. And I hope you have a great day.